A very lovely good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Mahina Akhtar standing in front of you to speak on the topic value of focus. Focus is to give all your attention to something. It has an important value in our life. The ability to focus can make or break our success in life. As students, we are all familiar with the need to be focused and concentrate in our studies, for which we get good mark and score well. But when we don't focus much, our grade decrease and our learning and understanding skill also suffer a decline. We can steer all our action in one direction only when we focus. Focus helps us to think straight, be specific about the goal, and with good focus comes the ability to think straight, perceive well, remember and learn better, and also have a better reasoning ability. Focus on a particular goal enables the person to be one-minded and strive for their goal. We should focus all our attention on what we are doing at the moment. If we focus long enough on mastering a certain skill, we become perfect in that. Dear friends, successful people maintain a positive focus in life. No matter what is going around them, they stay focused on their past successes rather than their past failure and distraction. Remember, attaining a high level of focus can be a challenging goal. It takes time and perseverance to strengthen our ability to focus. But once we will reach a certain level, we will see a powerful result. Now I am going to end up my speech by saying the quote of Rati Bennett. If you want to be happy, do not dwell in the past. Do not worry about the future. Focus on fully living in the present. With this, I conclude my speech and thanking you all for listening to me with great patience. Thank you so much and have a great day.